వరకు యూత్ గ్యాదరింగ్ జరుగుతున్నది కనుక మీ యవన బిడ్డలందరూ కూడా ఈ గ్యాదరింగ్ లో పాల్గొనాలని పంపాలని కూడా తల్లిదండ్రులు తెలియజేసి యూత్ వరకు
okay. See here, today, the second problem you see, ma. Here, this is a first question. This is a, Mama, my voice is not audible?
No, ma'am, audible, ma'am.
The next, who is the Farin? Farin giving me the message that, madam, your voice is not audible. Okay, see here, x value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and y values are 2, 3, 5, 4, 6. So you have to take the value of the complete total value of the x, that is a sigma x. So in the exam, they'll ask you to weigh the two regression equations. Two regression equations means you have to find out the both. And the same way, you have to find out the sigma y. Okay. So here, sigma x. What is the value of sigma x? It is a 15. What is the sigma y? It is a 20. So how many variables are there? 5. Number of observations are 5. 15 divided by 3, it is a 15 divided by 5 is a 3. Okay. Are you getting?
Yes, ma'am.
And here, the formula for regression equation x on y, that is x minus x mean is equals to r standard x divided by standard y into y minus y mean. So this is the formula. Okay. So this formula in this middle, this one you have to find out first. To find out this one, this value, because we have the x mean value and the y mean value. This formula you have to find out. How you have to find out means, here, see here, the x means always, when you get the x on y means, x value you have to take up. When you have the y, the numerator will be the y. Are you getting? So here,
Yes,
sigma r into standard x divided by standard y. This value you have to find, this one. So we don't have, first we have to find out this. What is if instead of this, or sigma xy divided by sigma y square. You know how to find out this all? When we got the 3, 1 minus 3 minus 2, 2 minus 3 minus 1, 3 minus 3, 0, 4 minus 3, it is a 1, 5 minus 3, it is a 2. And with these values, you have to square it. 2 into 2, it is a 4. 1 into 1, it is a 1. 0, 1, 4. The x square is a 10. In the same way, 20 divided by 5 is a 4. So here, 2 minus 4 minus 2. 3 minus 4 minus 1. 5 minus 4, it is a 1. 4 minus 4, it is a 0. 6 minus 4, it is a 2. Okay? So same values you have to square it. 2 into 2, it is a 4. 1, 0. 1 into 1, it is a 1 you have to. 1 and 2 into 2, it is a 4. See here, 4 plus 4 plus 1 into 1, it is a 10. At y square also you got 10. Now, x minus mean and the y minus mean, you have to multiply. When you multiply these two values, you will be getting the xy. Minus 2 into minus 2, it is a plus 4. Minus 1 into minus 1, it is a plus 1. 0 into 0, it is 0 into 1, 0. Then 1 into 0, it is a 0. 2 into 2, it is a 4. Because here it is a plus value, it is also plus value. Plus into plus, it is a plus. Okay. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Got my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Then now we'll go into the formula. Here you have find out the x square, y square and xy. Now r into standard y, standard x. Here y, r into standard x and standard y. So in these two formulas, you have these two formulas. So when you are taking this value, this is standard x divided by standard y. That is sigma xy divided by sigma y square. So here this one, not only the is equals to, you can write it is a r. Okay. So here, so what is the sigma xy? It is a 9. Sigma y square what? 10. 9 divided by 10, it is a 0.9. Okay. Means in the examination, first you have to find both the things and keep ready, and then you can substitute the values in the formula. Then r into standard y divided by standard x. Here also we have to write it is a r. Standard x divided by sigma xy divided by x square. What is xy? It is a 9. What is x square? It is a 10. 9 divided by 10 is equals to 0.9. Means most of the, not usually, in this problem, we got the both sigma x, standard x and standard y. We got the 0.9 in the x on y, 0.9 in the y on x. Now, we'll see in the formula. Now, we'll substitute the values in the formula. X minus x mean is equals to r standard x divided by standard y into y minus y minus y minus y mean. So here, what is the x? We don't know the value of x. What is the x mean? It is a 3. Here 3 is equals to r into standard x divided by standard y. What the value got? Here it is a 0.9. Y we don't know. Y mean you know. Here it is a 4. Okay. So here x minus 3. Are you listening, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
X minus 3 is equals to 0 into y, 0.y minus 0.9 into 4. It is a 3.6. So we got the values. First you have to multiply 0.9 into y. It is a 9.y. 0.9 into 4, 3.6. Now x is equals to, now x on y. When you are finding out the regression equation x on y means you will be getting the value of x. When you are finding out the regression equation y on x means y value you will get. Now we are finding out the x value. X is equals to 0.9y minus 3.6. When you are getting this 3, it will become plus 3. Okay. X is equals to 0.9y minus 3.6 plus 3. Here minus 3.6 plus 3. It is a minus 0.6. Then regression equation y on x. Y minus mean is equals to r standard y standard x. X minus mean. Y minus y mean how much? We got the 4 is equals to R into standard Y divided by standard X. It is a 0.9 into Y minus, Y mean how much? It is a 3. Y minus 4 is equals to 0.9 X. 0. Here same values we are writing. Then 0.9 into X, it is 0.9X minus 0.9 into 3, it is a 2.7. Y is equals to, so now we are getting the value of Y is equals to 0.9X minus 2.7 plus 4. Got my point? Y is equals to 0.9X plus 2.7 minus 4, how much? It is a 1.3. So when you are minusing from the least value, small value may say for big value, when you are taking out, the symbol will be plus. If you are minusing from the largest value, the smallest value, you will get
minus.
Yes, you got a very hectic. Sorry for that. So today you understood this problem, huh?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Sometimes they may give the value of X and the Y value. ये problem कहाँ पर है? I'll show here only. They may give the X value, Y value देंगे ना. X value. When you are finding out the regression equation Y on X means X value, they'll ask you to find. So here, at that time, you have to write, suppose I'll be writing that X value is given the 9 or 36, like that any value they will give. So at that time, Y is equals to 0.9, X value है ना, उसको into 36 plus 1.3. 1.3. So for this, you have to write Y is equals to, are you seeing beta? 0.
మీరు రాస్తున్నది మాకు కనిపించట్లేదు, ఆల్రెడీ ఉన్న పీపీటీ కనిపిస్తుంది.
నేను రాసింది కనిపించట్లేదా?
లేదు మేడం.
ఇప్పుడు 0.9. Now
Y is equal to 3.25x minus 16.25 plus 21.25, అది కనిపిస్తుంది.
Asha, you are finding this one, huh? So you are okay. So next slide కనిపిస్తుంది మీకు. నేను చెప్పింది ఇదే కదమ్మా. ఫస్ట్ ఇది కాపీ చేసుకోండి అమ్మా. ఈ క్వశ్చన్ కాపీ చేసుకోండి.
మ్యామ్ సెకండ్స్ అమ్మా.
ఇదే
ఓకే.
అదే 1 2 3 మీకు ఏ స్క్రీన్ కనిపిస్తుంది?
ప్రాబ్లం 2 మ్యామ్.
Your class is very good class. All the students are very good.
మ్యామ్ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకున్నాం, తర్వాత మేము నోట్స్ లో కాపీ చేస్తాము. నెక్స్ట్ మీరు చెప్పండి, టైం అయిపోతుంది కదా.
ఓకే సరే షూర్. అయిపోయిందా ప్రాబ్లం ఇది?
స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకున్నాం మ్యామ్.
ఇంకో ప్రాబ్లం కూడా ఇస్తానమ్మా, ఆ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకోండి. ఎందుకంటే అట్లీస్ట్ మీరు కొన్ని ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అనేది చేసుకుంటే.
ఓకే మ్యామ్.
ఇప్పుడు నెక్స్ట్ ఏది కనిపిస్తుందమ్మా మీకు?
ప్రాబ్లం 6.
క్వశ్చన్ మీరు క్వశ్చన్ క్లిక్ చేసుకోండి. యూ డూ బై యువర్ సెల్ఫ్ ప్రాక్టీస్. ఓకేనా? రిగ్రెషన్ ఆన్ x on y, y on x మీరు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయండి.
ఓకే మ్యామ్.
ఓకేనా?
ఓవర్ మ్యామ్.
Okay. So today now the next unit is the block correlation. Now you know how to do the table అర్థమైపోయిందా మీకు?
అర్థమైంది.
So that depends upon the table only. We are going to do the correlation. Just know only I told you are very good students. No one is disturbing my class. ఒక్కటి మీకు ఒక్కటి చెప్పేస్తే అయిపోతుందమ్మా. ఇక చూడండి, మీకు ఇంత సెకండ్ ప్రాబ్లం కదా అని చెప్పింది. In the exam, they will give the x value, find out x value, they will give the 63. Just now I told you. So at that time, చూడండి అమ్మా, కనిపిస్తుంది కదా?
కనిపిస్తుంది.
Yes ma'am.
Y is equals to, they have given the value of x is a 63. So you have to find out the complete value of the y. So 0.9 in the bracket, it is at 63 plus 1.3. Okay. Next, y is equals to, tell me what is the value 0.9 into 63? 0.9 into 63 entama? Ansika,
56.6, ma'am.
56.7.
7.
56.7.
7 plus 1.3 is equals to 56. Y is equals to 56.7 plus 1.3. Entama?
58.
58, ma'am.
So now the value is y is equals to 53. When you are reading when you see the question, first you have to be concentrate on the question. In that question only, they will twist and they'll give. That is like rainfall is 58. What will be the yield? So you have to find out the regression equation and then they'll give the questions. Got my point? If at all, if it's not giving any value, you have to complete your problem till here only. If it is any value of x or y it is given, means you have to continue and you have to find out the values. Got my point?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Tell me, ma'am.
Ma'am, where we are taking that 63?
X value. Means
Just we
what?
are assuming that,
Just
ma'am.
I'm assuming and I'm telling you, ma. Like this, they'll be giving the question, it seems.
If they mention, ma'am, we can find it, right?
Yes. If they mention, you have to find it. Otherwise, the problem will be continued till here only.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Take this third problem also screenshot, ma. You can copy down afterwards. Completed, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next continuation of this one. Fourth, you can copy down the question and you do by yourself. Just practice. I'm giving only 3 problems. Or not?
Over, ma'am.
Okay. Now we'll go to the any problem. It's clear to everyone.
Yes,
Regression.
ma'am.
It is a block 2.
Yes,
ma.
ma'am.
It is a block 2. Wait a minute. I'll take down the correlations.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma?
From tomorrow to till Wednesday, we are not having the classes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, see here. Mark correlation, the block 1. I think you have a textbooks. Confused though? As a madam same PPT చూపిస్తున్నారని. Can you see the screen, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Which one you are seeing? Problem number 1.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So here, in this correlation is, it is a correlation, means it is a coordinating both the importance of the correlation. It is an analysis for the association, that is variation between the two variables, where you have to find out the association of between the two variables. What are two variables? Here it is a x and a y. Understood? And here in this, they have many statisticians they have given in their own. First, I'll explain the little bit the theory, then I'll go to the problem. Okay. So here in this, one statistician, he has given in his definition that correlation, it is an analysis where it attempts to determine the degree, that is relationship between the both the thing. Here the correlation is nothing but it is an analysis. Analysis karna. It is analysis for how much it is, like that. So it is a degree. So even it is a covariation between the two variables or more variables. But in our problems, we have only two variables. So here correlation analysis, always it involves the two or more variables which have some causal relationships. So both the causal relationships they have. In this, we have some of the combination factors. What is one variable being passed to the other? Means one variable always depends on the other variable, and the both variable will act upon each other. Means one will be dependent and both will be acting, and they'll give the analysis. So without the other variable, we cannot continue our relation. We cannot judge it. We cannot analysis. Understood? And this both the variables, they'll give the result in the common cause. In the common cause, what is the cause? That is a coefficient. That is Carl Pearson is giving his coefficient, that is a common cause everywhere. For example, if you are making the correlation between agricultural production and the quantity, you want to do the production, but you must have the good quality of the fertilizer. Means here, if you want to make the good production, means what you need? Good fertilizers, good manures, everything you have. Means both will be same cost. It's not different cost, no. You want the good production, means you must use the good manures, good fertilizers. Okay. And chance of coincidence. Chance of coincidence means both will be exist between them, and your statistical measures also will make the coefficient correlation meaningless. If one is not there, the other one cannot be. So for example, we can say that coin, if you have a coin, two sides you have the same. If you have a two sides of the coin, if one side it has a 4 lines emblem, and the other side you have the value of the coin. If you're not having the value of the coin and only you have emblem, means there is no value of your coin. You having the value of the coin on one side, the other side, if you're not having the emblem of the coin, then also it is not valuable. So both the sides must have the both the figures. So that is if you are having the both the thing, then it will be meaningful. Otherwise, it is not. Is it clear, ma? So in this, the importance of correlation is very important, ma. Types of correlation is also very important. Both the things you take for long answers. In the types of correlation, it has the three. One is a positive, positive and negative, simple, partial and multiple, linear and non-linear. I'm not using Telugu, ma. Aisha, I'm not using Telugu. I'm using the Telugu, ma, in anywhere.
No, ma'am.
And then how the Aisha is giving the message that madam don't use the Telugu? Not even I'm using the Hindi also. Yesterday you told, no, madam, we just explain in English only. In your textbook, just you take the importance, that is the 1.4, 1.5. These two are very important for your long essay questions. Okay? And when you're writing the answer, that is a types of correlation, there are the 4 diagrams now. Positive linear relations, negative linear relation, that 4 diagrams you must draw in your answer. Are you getting, ma'am? Students?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So it is compulsory, you have to use, ma'am. You have to draw the diagrams. 4. Okay? In the page number 2.2, page number 14, I don't know about the new textbooks, 2.2, scatter diagram method.
Yes.
Scatter diagram method. Did you find?
Yes, ma'am.
So that answer also, you have to write a little bit about the scatter diagram and you just concentrate on the diagrams. Arshita will talk about the classes afterwards. Now it's clear, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Because simultaneously I'm giving essay questions also. Which one you'll get the...
Ma'am, repeat it once again.
Scatter diagram method. Okay. Now I'll go to the problems. In the textbook, the formula is given very big. It's very difficult to understand. Here we have the one more method, one more formula we have in the coefficient of Karl Pearson's coefficient. Calculation of Karl Pearson's coefficient of correlation. Okay. It's very simple to understand and it's very simple to use this formula. Okay. If you see in your textbooks, the formula is different. But here they have given the formula, what the formula I'm using now. It is also there. Either you can use that formula or the formula which I'm using in your problem now. Okay. See here, the question 10, just you copy down this question mark. The values 10, 12, 13, 16, 17, 20, 25, 29. Thus yesterday same question, only have changed the values. The formula have changed. X value and the Y value. Did you write?
Yes, ma'am.
You know how the regression table we made?
Yes, ma'am.
Regression table अपन कैसा बनाए सो याद है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Explain
The
it
same-
once.
Yes, ma.
Explain it once.
So here, first you have to take the value of X sigma, X value. sigma x is a 142, y value is a 214. So the other students is making them disturb my class. So here, x values we have found 142. How many number of observations are 8? 142 divided by 8, it is a 17.75. And the y is the sigma y divided by n. What is the sigma y? Y value how much? 214 divided by 8. It is a 26.75. Now, next column you have to find x minus x mean. That is 10 minus 17.75. It is a minus 7.75. 12 minus 17.75. It is a minus 5.75. 13 minus 17.75. It is a minus 4.75. 16 minus 17.75. It is a 1.75. 17 minus 17.75. It is a 0.75. So here also it is very important to see that negative and positive values. 20 minus 17.75. It is a 2.725. 25 minus 17.75. It is a 7.25. 29 minus 17.75, it is 11.25. Got it? Then you have to square it. Yes, Hansika, Afreen, are you all there? Lakshman? Aisha?
Yes, ma'am, I'm here.
But no one is giving a reply.
Yeah, hearing, ma'am.
So yeah. Then here you have to make it the square it. 7.75 is a 60.06. And 5.75 into 5.75, how much one? Just to see.
30.06.
30.06. 4.75 into 4.75.
22.56.
It's right. Are you calculating? Just you see the 5.75 into 5.75.
Yes, ma'am.
How much, ma'am?
5.75 into 5.
Ma'am, it is getting 33.0625.
Yes, yes. Because yesterday also I'm not able to do because yesterday I have taken the class. It is in the phone, so I could not make it. So the other all right. And now you take the total of this one. What is the value? X square, tell me fast. Fast Chapali.
Which one, ma'am?
Here, x square.
S square of what, ma'am?
This complete total, you tell me.
Okay.
Ma'am, 4.75 into 4.75, 22.56.
22.
22.56.
No, beta. I'm asking complete
5.
x square.
303.48.
2, ma'am.
Correct, ma'am.
It's right.
303.48 is correct, ma'am.
No, ma'am. 304.02 is
Wait. Screen has gone. Ah, 3.03 ma. Three point 304. Okay. Three 4.02. It's right. Ma, give me a response, beta, please.
Ma'am, 304.02 is the answer of X square, ma'am.
X square. Then what about the Y square? Because here we have a change, 33 point. Here it is 33 now. It's right. It's 33 now.
Which
అవును
one,
madam. Yes, ma'am. 5.75 into 5.75, 33.06, ma'am.
Now, Y square also you have to find out. So Y minus Y mean. What is a Y value? 10 minus 26.75. It is 16.75. 12 minus 26.75. It is 14.75. Are you getting? X minus X mean. Y minus Y mean, ma. Aisha?
Yes, ma'am, I'm getting.
So here, 10 minus 26.75, 12 minus 26.75, 24 minus 26.5. Yesterday, how we did for regression. In the same way, you have to do the table. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So X value, no? X into this one. X minus mean into Y minus Y mean. You will be getting this value. And you must be very concentrate and very cautious with the minus value. Minus into minus, plus. Plus into minus, minus. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Banu, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
So you know how to do this table? Finish. Now you have to write the calculation of Karl Pearson's coefficient. This is a heading you have to write. Calculation of Karl Pearson's coefficient. Okay? R is equals to, R means is a Karl Pearson's coefficient. Okay? Is equals to sigma xy divided by root sigma x square, sigma y square. Okay? R is equals to sigma xy divided by root sigma x square into sigma y square. Are you getting the formula?
Yes, ma'am.
It's very simple formula where you can remember it. This is a formula. Sigma xy divided by root sigma x square into sigma y square. Over?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, what is this? R is equals to sigma xy value कितना? What is the sigma xy value?
185.48, ma'am.
485.48 divided by root, what is x square? 304.02 into what is a y square? 7.48.
887.48, ma'am.
887.48 is a y square value. Now, 485.48 will be the same. You have to multiply first these two. 304.02 into 887.48. Multiply करें तो कितना हो रहा है?
2698 something, ma'am.
You take root है ना calculator में?
Yes, madam.
Press the root value को press करो.
519.433, ma'am.
कितना है?
519.
So now it is a value, it is a 518.9 means it's a 519 only. Okay?
We have changed that from 303 to 304, na, ma'am. That's why it's not giving the number. So 519.43.
519.43. Okay. 519.43.
43.
Okay? It's clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, 485.48 divided by 519.43.
0.9346.
That's it.
Ma'am, ఒకసారి 519.43 ఎలా వచ్చింది చెప్పరా మ్యామ్?
304.02 calculator తీసుకో. Take your calculator. 304.02 into 887.48. ఎంత వచ్చింది మన టోటల్? 26911.66696 వచ్చింది. In your calculator, you are finding the root value. Root x. ఉంది కదా?
అవును మ్యామ్.
Then you press it.
చేశాను మ్యామ్.
How much you are getting?
అంటే స్టార్టింగ్ ఇది రూట్ తీసుకొని 304.02 తీసుకోవాలా లేదంటే ఈ రెండింటిని ఫస్ట్ ఇంటూ చేసిన తర్వాత
First you have to multiply both.
ఓకే.
Now how much the value got?
ఒక్క నిమిషం.
519.
519. Sudhir, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Value is 519.433 something, ma'am.
Yes. So now you have to divide the 485.48 divided by 519.43. So what is the value?
0.9346, ma'am.
0.9346. 46 means you have to make it is 5. Because more than after 4, there is a big value, no? More than 5. Yes.
But after point, it will get increase, na, ma'am. 0.934 is the answer.
Okay, 1 minute. 485.48 divided by 519.43. How much you got? 0.9346.
Yes, ma'am.
So, where is a 4 is a small value. Next to the 4, there is a 6 value, which is more than 5. Is it clear?
Yes,
so
ma'am.
you have to round up the before one. Because the
Okay,
6
ma'am.
is the more than 5. Are you getting my point?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
that's why 0.935 is the Pearson's coefficient. Is it clear? This one you take, ma. You take this click, ma. You take this one. Fourth problem. Fourth problem, see the fourth problem. 2, 6, 8, 11, 13, 13, 13, 14 is the x value. When you add this all, you got the value of sigma x is the 18. And then is a y. You will be getting only 2 values in the exam. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
And then y value 8, 6, 10, 12, 12, 14, 14, 20. My question will be like this. In the page number 21, you see, ma. Page number 21. I don't know in your textbook. In my textbook, it is after the illustration number 3. Did you find?
Yes, ma'am. Got it.
Calculate the Pearson's coefficient of correlation from the following data. There will be the price and the demand. So you have to take the price as a x, so demand is a y. Okay? Are you getting?
Of page number 21, ma'am.
In my textbook, it is a 21, but what is there in your textbook, I don't know.
Is it illustration 4, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay.
Got?
Yes, ma'am.
So question will be like that. So when the question is given the price and the demand, price will be the x, the demand will be the y. They will not mention. Sometimes they may mention that x and the y, but most of the time they may give the demand and supply, weight and something differently they'll give. So at that time you have to assume by yourself that is a one is a x, other one is a y. That one you have to take into the table and you have to explain it. That is, you have to make the table, then you have to apply the formula. In this problem also, they have used the same formula, no? Whatever I have used, that is a mean is equals to sigma x by n. It's there, no, in the solution.
Yes, ma'am.
So here you have to make it, and the formula is like whatever the formula it is. Because I don't know the formulas, I don't have. That's why I have written like this. Got it?
So, ma'am, we have to go through with this formula only now, which you are showing on the screen.
Yes. Don't go. The other formula is very big. That is in the page number 27. That will be very difficult to remember. If you are remembering means the other formulas you'll forget. Whatever the formula you use, you will get the same value.
Okay, ma'am.
Got my point?
Yes,
All of you?
ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Yes.
House to
Take
hold.
Yes, ma'am.
you take the screenshot of problem number 4 on the screen.
Okay.
Okay? Have you taken, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
See the illustration number 5, ma? Illustration number 5 in your textbook. Are you all seeing illustration number 5?
Yes.
Yes,
Ah.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So from the
Yes.
following data, calculate the Pearson's coefficient of correlation, that is X and Y. Here they have not given any table. No table. Ma, who are all talking, just mute your mics, beta. They have not given any table. Just they have given the complete values. Means they have given the value of X square, they have given the Y square, and they have given the value of sigma XY. And from that values, you have to find out this formula. A value you have to find out. Are you getting? So see here, X value and the Y, X series and the Y series they have given. Number of pair observed. What is the number of pair observed? That is a 45 and a 45. That is a N. N value they have given. And arithmetic mean means what the value you got here, 10. That is X value is a 75 and the Y value is the 54. Are you getting?
Yes, ma'am.
The next is the sum of square deviations. One is a 408, 414. Means to make you confused, that is number of observation he has given, arithmetic mean value is given. Here we don't we no need of these two, number of pair observed and arithmetic is not at all necessary. Here they have given the square of deviations 408 for X, 414 for Y, and sum of products of deviation of X and Y. This is 112, 122 is the value of this one. X, Y, and that is the sum of the products of
X into Y value, na ma'am?
Yes, ma?
This X and Y is the value of X into Y, na?
Yes. So
And this arithmetic mean is the value of what, ma'am?
arithmetic?
Arithmetic mean value is given in this reader, na ma'am?
That is no, not necessary.
Okay, ma'am.
That is not necessary, but only to confuse you, he has given the values. Yes, square values is given, no? Some of the square deviations, these are the square values. These deviations he has given. That is 408 and 414. That is X1 and the Y1. Both is given. Then when he has given the square, X square and the Y square, what is the necessary for number of pairs and the number of observations? No, not necessary. The same thing you have to apply in your formula, that R is equals to XY value how much? It is 122. And the Y, X square and the Y square. X square is a 408, Y square is a 414. First, you have to multiply both the things.
Ma'am, shall we do it now only?
Yes.
Doing, ma'am.
So your number of pair observations are not at all necessary.
408 into 414 is, ma'am, 168912. And root of that is, ma'am? Root of that is 410.98, ma'am.
98. After 9, what is that?
98, 9890, ma'am.
Zero, ma'am.
So you have to take 410.99.
Yes, ma'am.
8 के बाद अपने को 9 है ना? So round it. Okay. So 122 divided by 410.99.
410.99. 0.2968, ma'am.
Yes, 8 means that is you have to take as a 7.
0.297 is answer, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you understood? All of the students, have you understood? They give the values of X and Y in the table. At the time, you have to follow this procedure. If they give only the values, how it is in illustration 5, you have to do in this way. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
So we have finished the two blocks, block 1 and block 2. And you see in the page number 37, ma'am. Page 37. See in the page 37, ma'am. Make it fast.
Yes, ma'am.
So here in this question, illustration number 2, you see
There's an illustration too.
illustration number 2. This type of a question, most of the time will give in the short. They'll give in a short. That is 4 marks question, ma'am. अपने को टाइम जल्दी हो जा रहा, just you listen here. In this, that is in the question in the problem section 1, you'll be giving 2 questions. Section number 2, first, that is 9th question, 2 questions. That is from the first unit. Second unit, there's 2 questions. So there is no problem with the regression. Now it is no problem with the correlation. Understood? Someone asked, Madam, correlation for the regression. So because it is a simultaneous, it is easier. That's why I have done the both table same use hota बोल के मैं पहले regression start करूँ. Now see the illustration number 2. Calculate the coefficient of correlation by the method. What is the method? It is concurrent deviation method. Okay, from the data given below, there is a marks in the accountancy, marks in the statistics. These are the 2 things they have given. And 60, 70, 80. See here, marks in the accountancy, marks in the statistics. Both the columns they have kept. Banu, Suresh, Sudhir.
Yes, ma'am. I'm there.
Yes, ma'am. Hearing.
So marks in the accountancy, marks in the statistics. So you see there's 60. Before the 60, no value is there. Are you getting? Before the 60, no value is there. So that column, you have to leave it. And next, after the 60, what is the number? After
70 is given.
70. So from the 60, 70 is increased.
Yes.
So when it is increased, you have to put plus.
Right.
किसके पास बहुत I'm getting the noise from somewhere. Aisha, there's a lot of different disturbance from your side.
Sorry, ma'am.
Okay. Sudhir or the other one? Who is that hero, other hero?
Hello.
Yes. Just tell me. When I'm repeating you, just to tell me. Because from the 60 to 70, it is increased or decreased?
60 to 70, it is increased, ma'am. So
So
we
when
have
it is-
added plus.
Plus.
We added plus. Yes, ma'am.
Then 70 to 80, it is increased. That's why you
Yes,
have
ma'am.
kept plus.
Plus.
From 80 to 75.
Again, it is decreased by 5. So we have kept in minus.
Very good. Again, it is decreased.
Yes, ma'am.
Got?
Yes, ma'am.
So when it is increased from before value to the next value, you have to put the plus.
Yes.
When it is a minus,
Decreasing.
minus.
Yes, ma'am.
So both the things, that is the direction of change is dx, direction of the change is the dy. Here also you have to do the same thing. From 65, you kept the car. That is empty. From
Yes, ma'am.
65 to 63, it is a decrease.
Decreased. So
So
we
we
have
have
kept
kept
minus.
minus. Now
Yes.
everyone understood this one? So when you have to take the plus or minus values. Now you see this x into plus into minus, plus into minus,
Minus.
minus, plus into plus,
Plus.
Plus.
plus into minus into minus,
Plus.
plus into plus,
Plus.
plus into minus,
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 Plus into plus?
plus,
plus,
Plus into minus?
minus,
Minus,
Minus into minus?
plus,
plus,
plus.
So you see how many plus values, how many are minus values?
4 minus values and 5 plus values, ma'am.
So here you have to see which values are more. So plus values are more,
plus value.
that's why we have taken the C is equals to 5.
okay,
Okay. Then see this formula. That is a correlation of concurrent deviation, RC. Got my point?
okay,
Is equals to plus or minus root plus or minus into 2C minus N divided by N. Formula, did you see the formula again? माँ किसके पास ये आवाज बहुत आ रहा माँ? So here RC is equals to root into 2C minus N divided by N. So here RC is equals to, what is the 2? 2 is the common. What is the C? 5. Okay.
dx into dy, ma'am.
Ma?
Value of dx into dy.
Yes, that is a 5. What is N? How many observations are there? N?
10,
9, ma'am.
10,
9, ma'am. 72, 83, 9.
9, eh? Just you
10,
see?
ma'am. 10.
10. So here always C is a 0. Means here always if you have to take the number of observations, 10 minus 1, that is N minus 1. You have to follow the formula N minus 1. What is the N here? 10. 10 minus
10.
1, how many?
9.
So here N is equals to 9. If at all it is a 8. 8 minus 1, 7. You have to write the 7. If at all, if it is a 12 observations, 12 minus 1, 11. N will be the 11. But here we have the observation, how many? 10 observations. So 10 minus 1.
8, ma'am.
9,
9.
9,
10 minus 1.
9, ma'am.
9,
9. So here I have written the 9. Is there no 9?
yes,
And divided by N. N also 9 only. Got my point?
yes, yes,
2 into 5, it is a 10 minus 9 divided by 9. So 10 minus 1, it is a 1 divided by 9. When you take the root, when you divide 1 divided by 9, you see 1 divided by 9, how much? It is a 0.111
111.
is M, that is
Yes, ma'am.
infinite. So
Yes, ma'am.
when you are taking the root, it's coming to
0.333, ma'am.
0.333. Now you understood this concurrent deviation?
Ma'am, what about this plus and minus signs, ma'am?
Where ma?
Under the root, the plus and minus signs are given, ma'am.
Yes.
At last, we are concluding with plus sign.
No,
So
no,
what
no.
about?
That is not at all necessary. Only the thing is you have to make it.
Okay, ma'am.
It's clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
This is a rank correlation. I'm continuing because I have wasted the 2 days time. That's why I'll continue till the sir gives me the message that madam leave the class. Okay. Now, see the rank
Ma'am,
correlation.
middle of your explanation, the class is getting ended, ma'am.
No, sir will give the message.
Okay, ma'am.
Sir will give message to me. That's why I'm seeing that.
Okay.
So this one is also very important, ma. In the correlation, they may give the 2 questions, either that is a correlation or rank correlation. Any one you can write it. So it is also very easy to understand. That's why I'm taking this one. Very simple one. Here, rank correlation. You know, no, in the schools also, when you are in the subject wise, you will be writing your friends' total, and immediately you will tell who will get the first rank or second rank. याद है? बचपन में आप लोग तो सबका टोटल लिख के किसको रैंक फर्स्ट आ रहा? Before the lecture, teacher only you used to give the rank to your friends.
Yes, ma'am. We used to do that.
Used to do, no? Even
Yes.
even I used to do the same thing. We used to write our friends' marks and used to total it, and there themselves we declare that you are the first rank, you got this one, this one, this one. Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is a rank correlation. Here the rank correlation, 3 methods are there. When ranks are given, when ranks are not given, when equal ranks are given. So today I'll explain you when ranks are given, when ranks are not given. Okay. So to easy to understand when ranks are given or not, the ranks are not given, you can easily understand. When the numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, when you see in your question 1, 2, 3, 4, if you see the first rank, then you have to think that ranks are given. जब 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 देते ना क्वेश्चन में,
Yes, ma'am.
at that time you have to think that ranks are given.
Okay, ma'am.
When you didn't find any first rank in your question, you have to think that ranks are not given. When ranks are not given means you have to find out the ranks. Then you have to solve your problem. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. But in which problem we have to do this one, ma'am?
See here in the page number 3.3, 3.3, that is rank correlation coefficient.
Page number, ma'am?
Page
39.
number 39. Are you seeing the question?
Yes, check your progress one, ma'am.
Illustration number 3. Illustration number 3. Calculate
Yes, ma'am.
calculate Pearson's coefficient of rank correlation from the following data. Marks in accountancy they have given, marks in statistics they have given. So where you are finding the, sir is given me time, 5 minutes. Within 5 minutes, I'll complete this one. Here, sir has given the, so here the values are given 60, 48, 52, 50. Means here, are you finding any master strength there?
What, ma'am?
Did you are finding any first rank in that question?
No, ma'am.
Ranks are not given.
Not given.
Got my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Mark, tell me.
By saying the highest number, we can give the rank, right, ma'am?
Very good. Here, 70 is the highest one. You have to put the first rank. Like that, you have to find out all the ranks. Okay?
Okay, understood, ma'am.
That is R1. Then you have to go to the statistics, marks in the statistics also. There also you have to find out the ranks. That is a R2. Here also you have to see the highest number in that statistics. There you have to mark the ranks. Okay? Then,
Yes, ma'am.
then by seeing that R1 and R2, you have to find out the D. That is R1 minus R2. That is 5 minus 2, it is a 3. 9 minus 6 is a 3. 7 minus 4 is a 3. Are you getting? Are you seeing?
Yes, ma'am. We are
Yes, ma'am.
R1 minus R2. So whatever the D you got, you have to square it. D value jo aaya na, that one you have to square it. Aisha, aap mute karo beta. The other one, Lakshman, Banu, you can speak out, ma. Sudhir, 3 into 3,
Yes.
9
9.
square it, right?
So you have to square the D.
Yes, ma'am.
Then you take the total is 144. Got?
Yes,
మ్యామ్
ma'am.
R1 R2 ఎలా వచ్చాయి మ్యామ్?
మనం find out చేసాం కదా
R1
R1
R2
R2.
ర్యాంక్స్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసినాం కదా, ఇందాక హైయెస్ట్ ఎవరు ఉన్నారో వాళ్ళ ప్రకారంగా ర్యాంక్స్ తీసుకోవాలి.
ఓకే ఓకే మ్యామ్ అర్థమైంది.
ఓకే. ఒక్క నిమిషం. Okay, got my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Now see the formula. 1 minus 6 sigma d square divided by n cube minus n. This is a formula. 1 minus 6 sigma d square divided by n cube minus n. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
1 minus, what is the 6? 6 is the common. Into 6 is sigma d square, what is the value you got? 144. Is it? 144, Ayana? The total of d square?
Yes, ma'am.
Then divided by, how many observations are there?
9, ma'am.
So 9 means n is a 9 cube minus 9. 9 cube minus 9. Is it? So this one, you not immediately you have to take the 1. First, you have to complete this formula. Jo bhi hai na? 6 into 144 divided by 9 cube minus 9. What is the value of 9 cube? 9 into 9 into 9.
729.
729, ma'am.
Minus 9?
720.
720. So here 864 divided by 720. How much?
1.2.
1.2.
1.2. 1.2 minus 1.
0.2.
0.2. You got the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
So from the smallest number, you have deducted the biggest number. That's why you have got the minus value. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
See in the this problem you do here. The progress 1 it is given now. Progress 1. R1, R2 directly is given. Here no need to explain the
We have R1 minus R2, na, ma'am.
That's it. R1 minus R2. You will be finding out the D. Then you have to square it and you apply the formula. That's it.
Yes. Okay, ma'am.
Now understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So we have finished the 2 blocks. For that, check the model answer. You can see in the 3.7 mark. 3.7 to understand. 3.7. Check your progress. Is there no?
Yes, ma'am, it's there.
That is, ranks are given. The one I explained before, that is the ranks are not given. You have to find out the ranks.
Okay, ma'am.
So it's clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We'll see you in the next class, that is on 9th.
Thursday.
9th.
Okay, fine, ma'am.
4 classes are there, no? More 4 classes?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We'll see you next. next classes.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.